Stop working hard, work smart. Make life easy with these 10 Amazon kitchen gadgets. These smart tools will completely transform your daily cooking routine. Welcome to SR Tech Pro. Watch till the end, and seriously, don't miss number 3. Coming in at number 10, we have the incredible all-in-one multi-cooker. This is the ultimate time saver for your busy days, where you can literally just set it and forget it. Look at that premium outer finish, built to elevate your kitchen style. Inside, it features a massive cooking space, combined with a heavy-duty and durable design that is made to last. Watch how you can get perfectly boiled potatoes in just minutes, and check out this delicious curry, cooked up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Next up at number 9, we have the powerful Ninja XL 5-in-1 air fryer. Look at this beauty spin, the ultimate Ninja XL air fryer designed to level up your kitchen. Just look at these perfectly crispy fries every single time with that golden crunch you love. Now we are placing the chicken inside, and look at that smart timing screen. You literally just set the timer and forget it, making your cooking completely effortless. Watch these perfectly cooked potato slices turn out flawless with no extra effort required. Coming in at number 8, we have the incredible Presto Flipside Waffle Maker. This is the ultimate kitchen upgrade you have been waiting for. Just pour, flip, and let it work its magic for a hassle-free breakfast. Look at these perfect, extra-thick Belgian waffles, beautifully sliced every single time. From sweet brunch to savory dinners, this versatile machine does it all. Enjoy professional-style, extra-thick Belgian waffles in just minutes right at home. It is time to upgrade your morning coffee with the perfect sweet treat to start your day. Moving on to number 7, check out the gorgeous Umaite Chef 33-piece kitchen set. Meet my new favorite kitchen set that has absolutely everything you need. Let's unbox this beauty together. The combination of premium wooden handles and khaki silicone is a total perfect match. It is finally time for getting my kitchen organized with style. Look at these essential tools, from the slotted turner and slotted spoon to the perfect whisk, handy kitchen tongs, deep soup spoon, and classic kitchen turner. Every piece is crafted with highly durable silicone, featuring incredible heat resistance, and they are incredibly easy to clean. Coming in at number 6, the 3-in-1 heavy-duty bamboo cutting board set is a must-have for every modern kitchen. This durable, space-saving set features comfortable handles and deep juice grooves to keep countertops mess-free. It includes 3 sizes tailored for any task. The small board is perfect for quick dough prep, the medium handles effortless veggie and fruit chopping, and the heavy-duty large board easily tackles tough meat. Beyond prepping, this versatile set beautifully doubles as an elegant serving platter for fruits and snacks, combining a pastry, bread, meat, and vegetable board into one sleek, easy-to-wash design. Coming in at number 5, we have the highly accurate Atexity Digital Food Scale, a true game-changer for your modern kitchen. Built with a premium, sleek, and durable 304 stainless steel design, this compact scale fits comfortably in any kitchen cupboard or drawer. Powered by 2 simple cells, it is always ready to go and features a crystal-clear LCD display that makes reading your weights absolutely effortless. Whether you are focusing on perfect portion control for a healthier lifestyle or prepping complex recipes, it delivers spot-on, highly accurate measurements every single time. With just a quick touch, you can easily switch between different units like grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces. Plus, it even measures liquids flawlessly, making it perfect for milk and water. From tracking your daily fruits to weighing baking ingredients, cereal rings, or almonds, this smart scale handles everything with complete precision. Coming in at number 4, we have the KitchenAid Multifunction Opener, a premium 2-in-1 tool built for every modern kitchen. Crafted with a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel, it glides through cans effortlessly. The soft, ergonomic handles provide a comfortable, non-slip grip, making can opening smoother than ever. Plus, it smartly doubles as a smooth bottle opener for your favorite drinks. It is super easy to wash and clean, featuring a classic, durable design that is built to last. Don't miss number 3. Coming in hot, we have the incredible 4-in-1 Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, redefined as the absolute best kitchen gadget for your daily meal prep. If you want to save time, this is a total game changer. It features premium, interchangeable razor-sharp blades that allow you to customize your cuts effortlessly. With its clever design, you get perfect dicing in just one simple push, making food prep faster than ever. It is built for heavy-duty chopping, easily handling large veggies like potatoes and onions without any struggle. But that's not all. It also includes a brilliant built-in spiralizer, perfect for creating healthy, delicious veggie noodles in seconds. Plus, the extra-large built-in container catches everything, keeping your kitchen counters completely mess-free. Once you're done, it is super quick and easy to wash and clean, storing away beautifully for your next meal. Coming in at number 2, the TempPro Digital Meat Thermometer is the ultimate BBQ tool. It features a smart motion-sensing wake that automatically turns on when picked up. This versatile tool tracks chicken, goat, and beef with complete precision. Watch the temp drop instantly, proving its incredible speed. Plus, its sleek design stores perfectly in any drawer. Coming in at number 1, we have the Suritivian Chicken Shredder, the ultimate meat shredder for your kitchen. Check out these ultra-sharp, heavy-duty built-in blades that fit large chicken breasts perfectly. Time to test the power. With just a few quick twists, you can see the magic happen right through the clear, visible lid. It shreds your meat smoothly and efficiently in seconds. Best of all, it features a hassle-free cleaning design, making your post-cooking cleanup absolutely effortless. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these gadgets you liked best. Want to grab one of these gadgets? All product links are available in the description. Don't miss out. Like and share.